Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add a voiceover to Canva. Let's use this project as an example. Go to Share, click See All, choose Present and Record. Then, click on Go to Recording Studio. When in the recording studio, only record a voiceover. Set no camera, then click Start Recording. Once you've finished recording, click in Recording. Choose Save and Exit. Next, go to the Uploads tab. Click on Audio. You'll see the voiceover you just recorded. Drag and drop it onto the timeline beneath the video in the Drop Music section. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching.